Hello friends and welcome. For this lesson we are factoring using the GCF. Alright, before we go too far into this, let's get some key terms down. Our first one is factor. Factor are numbers we can multiply together that result in another number. For example, 12 can be broken into 6 times 2 because 6 and 2 are factors of 12. Common factor, a whole number that is a factor of 2 or more non-zero whole numbers. For example, 3 would be the common factor between 12 and 15. Greatest common factor, the largest of the common factors. For example, the factors of 8, if we list the factors of 12, and the factors of 24, and the greatest common factor would be the largest factor they have in common. Relatively prime is when 2 or more numbers have a greatest common factor of 1. For example, factors of 8 are factors of 15. 8 and 15 are relatively prime because 1 is their greatest common factor.